Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Google Fiber. So Google Fiber is a high-speed internet service by Google offering gigabit and multi-gigabit internet with no data caps, primarily in select cities in the US. So I actually found a Reddit post here. This person asked, what are some pros and cons of Google Fiber? And the pros of it is that internet only, single static price with all taxes, fees included. His bill has been $70 for a month for 3 years without picking up the phone to haggle our price. And it has consistent speed. Upload speed is also a gig, unlike cable internet, which is usually limited to snail paced 5 MB, and there are no data caps. And the cons of it is that you'll never be able to use full bandwidth all the time. And this is basically not a con since all TV providers do the same thing. So yeah, all people say in this subreddit is that it is Google Fiber is very good. Like this person said, he consistently gets 900 plus all the time. And yeah, that is it. That is basically it. Google Fiber is a very good internet provider. However, the only con I can think of is that it is only available in select cities in the US. So if Google Fiber is available in your area, it is highly recommendable that you use Google Fiber. So yeah, that is it. That is my review on Google Fiber. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.